So I just bought this gaming mouse. It's wireless and it's plugged into my $2,000 gaming PC, but I accidentally connected it to my Mac with this wire. You know, I was dumb. I thought it would be charging from my Mac while I'll be playing Fortnite on my PC, but for some crazy ass weird reason, it immediately forgets it's wireless and gives the priority to the wired connection. I never knew it could send signals through the wire, but this situation led me to an idea. My mouse has a Type-C port, and my iPhone has a Type-C port as well. You see where this is going, right? Come on, baby. Nope, nothing happens. I had to try it.